set, now where haven't we been yet? Taylor gangs, they rolling out them paper planes. Yeah.
I'm in the air, all I want is the money and I see it so clear. Weed in my grinder, 9 on a million. Taylor gang in the planes, you know we over the building. They ask me how I fly, I'ma tell ya. Game, I should be looking familiar. If they ask me how I fly, I'ma tell ya. You recognize the G, I should be looking familiar.
Partying, chillin', and fast living how I'm supposed to. Not the choices given, I chose to leave the club with a couple of hoes who love to smoke trees. Rolling in easy, wider papers, maintain a low speed. Now shall I proceed? Come from a city where niggas ain't got a lot, but got it locked, so I be low key. Money, hoes, clothes is all a nigga knows. Don't bring a nug, I blow it by the O. I hit the road, cause shit's exactly how it seems. While cats been sleeping on me, I've been living out my dream. The marijuana's loud, but my surroundings are serene. I'm laughing and smoking, hoping my camera catch the scene. Fresh up off the plane, flick another paper. Shorty wanna ride with me as bad as I wanna take her. Put you in demand, bitches taking flicks with the planes and send them to their friends. Weed to grind, mind on a million, and we over the building.
I'm in the air, all I want is the money and I see it so clear. Weed in my grinder, 9 on a million. Taylor gang in the planes, you know we over the building. They ask me how I fly, I'ma tell ya. You recognize game, I should be looking familiar. They ask me how I fly, I'ma tell ya. You recognize the G, I should be looking familiar.
And now living like a baller low. I'm having money and blowing hella chronic smoke. Did we just become best friends with these hoes on the boat? Well, probably so, but we don't love them, no. Only cake causes my heart to palpitate, darling. Clean that money, keep this dirty ball revolving. No pausing, I get too high to have downtime. No matter what your watch say, nigga, it's my time. I hear them critics right now. All them fools make is weed songs, blah, blah, blah. You sound like a sucker, tune get out as I'm tuning up my Chevelle. This weekend I'ma pull it out, lay some rubber down, flinging rocks everywhere. People mad as a motherfucker, but he jet connected so they know they can't touch him. Airborne from here on, been sworn in. Fat pockets cause I took chances even when they were slim.
I'm in the air, all I want is the money and I see it so clear. Weed in my grinder, 9 on a million. Taylor gang in the planes, you know we over the building. They ask me how I fly, I'ma tell ya. You recognize game, I should be looking familiar. If they ask me how I fly, I'ma tell ya. You recognize the G, I should be looking familiar. Yeah.
Yeah, Jets, nigga, now where haven't we? Bitches, I tell a gang that. Yeah. How fly, ask yourself. Yeah. The back seat is for newborns, homie, I'm grown. I'll hop in front and drive this bitch on my own. Out the driveway, windows half raised, bumping maze or some Sade. Chucking the deuces to my neighbors like them Houston players. Got the 2-door Caprice, black and red like a Sega. Genesis, password, first pimpin', or you can't get into this, hang up. Access denied, you can't fly. You a lame Spider-Man, tangled in the web of lies. Global travel, red eyes, playing plot, strategize. Double XL, now I'm after the source and the vibe. Only magazines yet to recognize in 2009. Nigga worth it, he deserve it. He ain't perfect, but he working on that second album. Dropped the first one with amalgam. Digital dollars, or 4 flights where the massages will be provided by my down ass. Exotic dancing Italian goddess. The planes got it, that's why she riding with the pilot. Fine spitter smoked out in the same crowd. Well, Waldo is spotted. Orange rectangle boxes in my pockets. Niggas on the quest like Johnny and Hodges.
Yeah. innocent. How fly? They bitch next. The mixtape is officially done. This is it right here. Yeah. I'm back better than ever, no hiatus, just weed crushers, rollers, and 1.5 wide papers. Catch me and spit it smoking up. You got trees, nigga, light it. I heard it's a weed-friendly environment. Seen them at my shows, front row, getting excited. They all smoking, memorize my lines, say I'm the tightest. No bitches who rep the gang, hard as niggas who do the same. And don't support that bullshit, they only do the planes. In every city, we smoking like a train. They heard I'm swinging past, now them bitches getting gas octane. Not a name to compare them to. I could skydive, no parachute, with just a dope pair of shoes. Zigzags and hella tattoos put you in a mind state that this is my movie, but you in it too. The bomb weed make it critical. Sit with the vampire in his interview.